Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to do a comparative. We're going to compare a finish that we're going to make with silicone. Well, the two, we're going to put silicone in our acrylic, but in one we're going to mix the acrylic and the silicone well together, and then we're going to do a flip cup and a fluid pouring. And on the other end, we're going to do not mix just the silicone without mixing it into our acrylic, and we're going to see what happens. So there's only one way to find out, is to try it. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. first guys, I hope you're going to agree with me that I think the result is great, but I don't think there's that much of a difference between both technique, which is one on the right, which is mixed with our silicone, and the other one, the silicone over it without mixing it. Well, listen, I don't know if there's a difference, but even if I did the fluid pouring, because I wanted to see, since when we do a flip cup, it's a dirty flip cup, so I thought to myself, maybe while we put them together, it's going to do the same effect, but not quite, since I did also a fluid pouring. And like I said, the result, it's almost exactly the same. Well, of course, you see it dry, but I just finished it, so maybe there's going to be a difference while it dries. I don't know. Either way, it's a nice triptych. It's two look-alike, but I think that both of them would look great on a wall, that's for sure. So guys, I hope you liked it. I hope you're going to try it because it's easy, and maybe if you use different kind of painting, it's going to have different kind of course, if you don't use white, because I should have used another color, more bright color or less bright color, because white, well, it's white, you don't see that much of a difference, and you won't see cells in white. So either way guys, I think the result is nice. I think it's almost identical to each other. It's a question of taste, and like I said, I don't see it once finished, so we're gonna see what happens. So guys, like always, don't forget to subscribe to our Instagram and to our Facebook. It's always nice to share on a daily basis, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.